Assalamu alaikum. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can resolve all the crashing and hanging application issues in Microsoft Windows 10. So for the purpose, open all the problematic applications which are causing a lot of crashing and hanging issues. After opening the application, right click on the taskbar and then click on the task manager. In the task manager, you have to see the processes tab. Click on the process tabs, and you can see all the programs which are open in your Windows 10. So search for the program which is causing you a bit of trouble, hanging or crashing issues. Right click on that particular application and then go to the details. Click on the go to the details and the details of the program will open. So search for the program which is causing you a lot of trouble. So I am having a bit of trouble in Microsoft PowerPoint. It is causing a lot of crashing and hanging issues in the recording options. So right click on the application and then move to the click on the properties, and then in the properties section you have to click on the compatibility tab and run the compatibility troubleshooter. So when Microsoft Windows 10 will detect some issues, and it will suggest you some settings in order to solve the program. So try the recommended settings, and it will ask you test the program first before the implementation of those settings. So I will open the Microsoft PowerPoint and I will see that if that particular recommended setting is working for my application or not. So I'm having a bit of trouble in the recording section or during the recording slideshow section of the Microsoft PowerPoint, as during this recording my application crashes and hangs a lot. So I will see that particular option of Microsoft PowerPoint, and I will record and stop again and again just to see that if that particular setting is working finely or not. As you can see on your screen that my application is working nice now, and it is working a bit of smooth now, and it did not crash during this particular setting which is suggested to me by Microsoft Windows 10. So I will go for the settings. After testing, I will close the application and I will again open the task manager, and I will go for the setting and I will click on the next, and in the next step I will save these particular settings for this particular program, and this particular setting will be implemented for the rest of life for this particular program, and it will hope so it will work nicely and smoothly. And after closing click on the OK. And the next important thing you can do, but this important setting you have to do every time when you will work for this application. Right click on the application and then you have to set the priority level high. So when you will set the priority high, the program will work more smoothly, and it will hope so it will not cause any hanging or crashing issues for the next time. I hope that you will find this video very helpful, and it will solve a lot of your hanging and crashing application problems in your Windows 10. See you next time.